Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best cleaning mop? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best cleaning mop of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Spray Mop Broom Set. The Spray Mop Broom Set is a versatile home cleaning tool designed for efficient and convenient floor maintenance. This product combines the functionality of a mop and broom, making it an ideal choice for those looking to simplify their cleaning routine. The set typically includes a spray mop with a built-in water reservoir that allows for easy application of cleaning solution directly onto the floor, eliminating the need for a separate bucket. One of the standout features of this set is the rotating mop head, which enhances maneuverability, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas such as under furniture and along baseboards with ease. The set usually comes with reusable microfiber pads, known for their superior absorbency and ability to trap dirt and debris, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to disposable pads. Product 2. Product name: Flat Squeeze Mop with Spin Bucket. The Flat Squeeze Mop with Spin Bucket is an innovative floor cleaning solution designed for convenience and efficiency. This mop system features a spin bucket that allows for hands-free wringing, ensuring that you can maintain clean and dry hands during the cleaning process. The microfiber mop pads included with this set are highly absorbent and versatile, suitable for both wet and dry usage. This makes it ideal for cleaning various types of flooring, including hardwood, laminate, and more. The flat design of the mop head allows it to easily reach into tight spaces, corners, and under furniture, ensuring thorough cleaning without much effort. The microfiber pads are designed to effectively pick up dust, dirt, and debris, making them excellent for everyday cleaning tasks. The spin bucket's wringing mechanism ensures that you can control the moisture level of the mop, which is especially important for delicate surfaces like hardwood floors. Product 3. Product name: Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. The Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set is an advanced cleaning solution designed for efficient and effective home floor maintenance. Tailored for professional-grade performance, this mop set is ideal for hardwood floors but is versatile enough for various other floor types. This set includes a flat mop with washable microfiber pads that are highly absorbent, capable of trapping dirt, dust, and grime without leaving streaks behind. The microfiber pads are not only reusable but also machine washable, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. The bucket features a dual-chamber design, allowing for easy cleaning and drying of the mop head. The hand-free mechanism ensures that users can wring out the mop without getting their hands wet or dirty, enhancing convenience and hygiene. Product 4. Product name: Automatic Cleaning Machine. The automatic cleaning machine is a versatile household appliance designed to simplify and enhance the cleaning process across various surfaces in your home. This wireless mop cleaning machine is equipped with advanced electric technology, allowing it to effectively clean floor tiles, glass surfaces, and even roofs. It is particularly useful for tasks such as mopping, wiping, and waxing, offering a comprehensive cleaning solution. Key features of this cleaning machine include its cordless design, which provides freedom of movement and ease of use without being tethered to a power outlet. The machine is designed to be user-friendly, with simple controls that allow you to switch between different cleaning modes depending on the surface and the level of cleaning required. The automatic cleaning machine is ideal for homeowners looking for a convenient way to maintain a clean and polished home environment. Product 5. Product name: Flat Squeeze Mop and Folding Bucket. The Flat Squeeze Mop and Folding Bucket is an efficient and convenient cleaning tool designed for easy and effective floor maintenance, especially on surfaces like hardwood and laminate. This product is particularly useful for those who prioritize cleanliness and ease of use in their home cleaning routines. Key features: Flat Squeeze Mop. The mop features a flat design, allowing it to easily glide under furniture and reach tight spaces. The flat surface also ensures even pressure is applied across the floor, making it effective in picking up dirt, dust, and debris. Microfiber Mop Pad. The mop pad is made from high-quality microfiber, known for its superior absorbency and ability to trap dirt. This makes it ideal for use on delicate surfaces like hardwood and laminate, as it cleans without scratching or leaving streaks.